So if you need to convert 75 micrograms here to milligrams, here's how you do it. Basically, when we go from micrograms to milligrams, all we need to do is divide by 1,000, like this. That's because 1 milligram is 1,000 micrograms, and we can call these units 1,000 micrograms per milligram. So now when we divide, we move the decimal place 1, 2, 3, so we're just dividing by 1 here. And then up here, 1, 2, 3. We need to put a 0 in here as a placeholder. And so 75 micrograms, that's 0.75 milligrams. You can see micrograms cancel out. We're left with milligrams. That's what we're looking for. And I put a 0 in front just so it looks a little cleaner. That's it. This is Dr. B converting 75 micrograms to milligrams. The answer is 0.075 milligrams. Thanks for watching.